Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic measuring angles. An angle is measured in degrees. A protractor is used to measure an angle. This is our protractor. There are two scales in our protractor. This is inner scale and this is outer scale. The inner part is the inner scale and this is the outer scale. While measuring an angle, be sure that to use the correct scale. That is, we are using the inner scale to measuring the angle. The horizontal line segment joining 0 degree to 180 degree, it is called the base line of the protractor. This is the base line of the protractor and this is the center of the baseline. This line is the center of the baseline and this is the baseline of the protractor. While measuring the angle, we are using the inner scale of the protractor. Okay, there are two scales, inner scale and outer scale. While we are measuring the angle, we are using the inner scale and this is our baseline and this is the center of the baseline. Next is how to measure the angle using protractor. They are given some examples for you. We are placing our protractor. This is our first ray. OB is the first ray and OA is the second ray. We are placed the center of the baseline to the starting of the first ray. So, we are placed our protractor from the starting point of the ray. That means the center of baseline is placed on the starting point of OB, the ray OB. While we are measuring the angles using inner scale. So, there are two scales here. One is inner scale and another is outer scale. Then inner scale, which are the values of the ray OA? The value of OA is 60 and 120 degree. We are selecting the inner scale only. So, the value of angle AOB is 60 degree. The value of angle AOB is 60 degree. While we are placing the center of the baseline to the ray OB and another ray is OA is placed on the inner scale of the protractor is 60 degree. We are selecting the inner scale of this protractor. So, our angle measurement, angle AOB is 60 degree. So, we write angle AOB is 60 degree. Then our second example, consider the angle is DEF. Our first ray is EF and our second ray is ED. You should place the protractor on the ray EF. So, the center of the baseline is placed on the ray EF. So, the value of ray ED equal 90 degree. So, our angle DEF is placed on 90 degree. In inner and outer scale, there is only 190, that is the middle value. So, our angle DEF equal 90 degree. Then our third example, the angle is PQR. Our first ray is QR and our second ray is QP. Then we are placing the center of the baseline on the starting point on the ray QR. So, we are placed the center of the baseline, the ray QR. Then it is placed on the ray PQ is which degree? 60 or 120? We are measuring the angle using only inner scale. So, our inner scale number is 120 degree, not 60 degree. 60 degree is covering the outer scale. The inner scale is 120 degree. So, it is marked as 120. The angle PQR equal 120 degree. The next angle is angle ABC. First ray is BC and our second ray is BA. Then place the protractor on the center of the baseline on the ray BC. Then center of the baseline of the protractor BC and the protractor AB. AB is middle between 70 and 80. Then our like as scale, there is a 10 numbers between each numbers. Then there is 170 and 160. There are already 10 numbers. Then 70 and 10, 70 and 80 already 10 numbers. Then the ray AB lies between the middle value, that is in 70 and 80 there are 10 numbers, then counting 7 to 80. Our ray is AB, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value is 75. So angle ABZ equal 75 degree. First we are placing this protractor, the center of the baseline BC, the center of the baseline on the ray BC, and also place the ray AB. There is the middle value between 70 and 80. Our value is 75. So angle ABC equal 75 degree. Next is types of angles. There are 6 types of angle. Our first angle is acute angle. An acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. Acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. That means 45 degree, 62 degree, 72 degree, 80 degree. That means less than 90 degree. All angles are acute angle. Okay. Then second angle is right angle. A right angle means it is 90 degree. Right angle means it is 90 degree. Okay. Then our third angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. For example, the number 100. 100 degree is a obtuse angle. 140 degrees again obtuse angle. Okay, then more than 90 and less than 180 degree, it is obtuse angle. Then straight angle means that degree is 180 degree. Straight angle means it is the measurement is 180 degree. Next is reflex angle. Reflex angle means greater than 180 but less than 360. Greater than 180 but less than 360. Suppose the angle 240. It is reflex angle. 240 less than 360 degree but more than 180 degree. So that angle is reflex angle. Then last and final angle is zero angle, that is 0 degree. In angle measuring is 0 degree is known as it is a zero angle. So types of angle, there are 6 types: acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex and zero angle. An angle measurement is less than 90 degree, it is acute angle. 90 degree it is right angle. Then greater than 90 but less than 180 it is obtuse angle. 180 degree it is straight angle. Less than 360 but greater than 180 degree it is reflex angle. And the angle measurement is 0 degree, it is zero angle. Our next heading is draw the angle using protractor and also the name, the type of an angle. Our first example, angle ABC equal 70 degree. First we draw a ray and put its name BC. Then place the protractor using the center of the baseline. This is the center of our baseline. Then place the protractor using the center of the baseline starting from the point B. Okay. This is our center of the baseline of the protractor and starting from the point B. Here we want the degree as 70 degree. There are 2 scale, inner and outer scale. We are using this side as inner scale. So we want the degree as 70 degree. So the 70 degree as, yes, this is our 70 degree. So we just mark it as a 70 degree here. And joining and draw the ray of this side and mark it as A. So angle ABC equal 70 degree. Okay, first we draw a baseline. We place the protractor using the center of the baseline from the starting point of B. Here is our starting point of B. Then we want the angle as 70 degree. Then considering the inner scale, there is a 70 degree. Just point as a 70 degree and joining that 2 rays. So we get angle ABC equal 70 degree. Now we get angle ABC equal 70 degree. Then our second portion of question is name the type of an angle. Then this angle is 70 degree. We already studied less than 90 degree. That angle is known as acute angle. So less than 90 degree, that means 70 degree is an acute angle. So the name of this angle is acute angle. Then our second example, draw the angle PQR equal 120 degree. First we draw the ray QR. That means we are drawing a baseline. This is our ray QR. Just mark it as QR. Q. Then R. Then place the protractor using the center of the baseline starting from the point Q. So this is our center of the baseline starting from the point Q. Then we want 120 degree. So which is the 120 degree? Here we want the angle PQR equal 120 degrees. So 120 degrees, 90, 100, 110, then 120 degrees. So we just point here 120 degree. Then join this ray. Then mark it as P. So this is the ray. So this ray is PQ. And this ray is QR. Two rays joining the common point Q, that is our angle. So angle PQR equal 120 degree. Okay, first we just draw the ray QR and place our protractor using the center of the baseline from the starting point of the Q. Then we want the angle is 120 degrees over 120 degree. That means our protractor in a scale 120 degree here. Then just mark it as a P. This is the ray of PQ and this is the ray of QR. They are meeting at the point Q. So our angle is 120 degree. Then which type of an angle is this? 120 degree. We already studied about 120 degree. That means it is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. That angle is known as obtuse angle. Then obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That angle is obtuse angle. Then our third example, angle XYZ equal 90 degree. First we draw the ray YZ. Then name this ray YZ. Place the protractor using the center of the baseline from the starting point of Y. Then starting point of Y. Then here we want the 90 degree angle. There is this is the 90 degree angle. So just mark it as a 90 degree. Then joining these two rays. Then give the name as X. Then XY one ray and YZ another ray. Then joining these two rays at a common point Y. Then it is marked as a 90 degree. So angle XYZ equal 90 degree. Then 90 degree angle. Which type of angle is 90 degree angle? Its name is? Yes, it is right angle. So 90 degree angle is a right angle. Okay. Then first we draw the ray YZ and place the protractor using the center of the baseline from the starting point of Y. And mark it is the 90 degree, that is inner and outer scale there is only 190 degree, so it is marked as a 90 degree and this ray name is XY and XY one ray and YZ another ray joining at the point Y. Then this is our angle XYZ and its angle name is right angle. An angle considering 90 degree, its name is right angle. Then our next example, consider the angle MON equal 135 degree. First we draw the ray ON and mark it as ON. Then place the protractor using the center of the line starting point O. So we place the center of the baseline from the starting point of O. Then here we want 135 degree. Then there is 130 is, yes, it is the inner scale, 130 is here. We want 135. So 135 is lies between 135 is lies between 130 and 140. So 130 after 31, 32, 33, 34, then 35. This is the 35. So we just point as 135 is lies between 130 and 140, and joining these two rays and mark it as the ray MO. This is the first ray ON and this is the second ray OM. These two rays meet at a common point O, that is our angle MON equal 135 degree. Then it is, which type of angle is this? Acute angle? No. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Is it right angle? No. Right angle is 90 degree. The next angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means it is greater than 90 but less than 180. Yes, it is less than 180. So this type of angle is obtuse angle. Okay. So I hope all of you understood today's class and also understood how to measure and how to draw the angle using the protractor. Then children, take care. Bye. Thank you.